Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your CPU must support Intel VTX or AMD V, and Windows must be 64-bit. Once done, close BlueStacks and save work because you'll reboot. Now open Start, type Turn Windows features on or off, and locate Hyper V Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Enable those checkboxes. This prepares Windows to run hardware-accelerated virtual machines. You do this because BlueStacks needs Hyper-V's virtualization layer. Instead of legacy, HAXM for stability and performance. Once Windows restarts, make sure Hyper-V actually runs by checking Hyper-V Manager or running systeminfo in command prompt to confirm virtualization is enabled. If it still fails, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable VTX or SVM. This option is under CPU or security settings, and it's essential. After BIOS changes, boot back and, if necessary, open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type auto, then restart. This forces the hypervisor to start early so BlueStacks can detect it. Now install or update BlueStacks. Pick the Hyper-V compatible build when asked, because it's tuned for Windows Hypervisor. Launch BlueStacks and navigate to Settings. Engine, you should see Hyper-V selected. Change performance settings and allocate CPU cores and RAM as needed. If BlueStacks still errors, check for other hypervisors like VirtualBox or VMware and temporarily disable them, update GPU drivers, and ensure Windows updates are applied. If nothing helps, reboot, reproduce the error, and note exact messages for further steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.